Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll go ahead and show you how to test a starter on Hyundai Elantra. Okay, that's generation 2011 to 2016, but that starter procedure should work on any Elantra guys, even older ones and newer ones as well. This is the starter out of the car, okay, you can see right here. And we're going to go ahead and show you how we're going to test it. Now, this is a demonstrational video, it's a dangerous video guys, so we wouldn't recommend, okay, unless you know what you're doing, don't do it. Take it to a professional, but we'll explain how the procedure is done and how we'll test if the starter is good. We'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so if you need anything, please subscribe and we'll keep uploading videos about this vehicle as well. So as you can see, okay, the starters usually they have two wires. One is with a nut, this is the big wire, and this is a 12-volt supply wire. The little wire is the one right here. This is the wire when you turn your ignition switch, it activates the starter. So the starter consists of two components, Bendix and the starter motor. And in today's video we will explain how to test both of them. So we will get an alligator clip, okay, and connect it to the small wire. All the parts and tools we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. After that you need a 12-volt supply. You can use a battery with jumper cables, okay, or you can use a jump starter like the one we have here. Now we'll connect the negative to the housing of the starter, okay, and let me go ahead, okay, I'll hold it with my foot, never ever stick your fingers there, okay, but we'll test the Bendix first. When we touch, okay, the red wire with the positive, okay, it's going to kick the gear out. Okay, so let's hold it a little bit so you can see what happens. The Bendix kicks that gear out, and when the gears is out, it turns the flywheel. So the Bendix part, this is the Bendix, works good. Now if you want to test the whole starter, okay, make sure that you hold it really good because it can spin. It's really powerful. It's like 1.2 horsepower I think on this one says. We'll connect the 12-volt supply to the big wire, okay, and we're going to touch the Bendix wire to the positive as well, okay, and check it out. You can see the Bendix and the starter both work together. So that's how you guys test them. It's not complicated, but if you don't know the procedure, please take it to a professional. So hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time.